So
No, ma'am.
yesterday, no problem at all. So you all are sitting with your pen and paper, because once again we are going to
Yes, ma'am.
practice some narration, direct and indirect speech. Already you know the rules, you know the regulation, but still some of you were making mistakes. So I want you to quickly solve the things and then move on. बहुत अच्छा, जहाँ कोई problem आएगा, you can ask me. I will definitely tell you that why. What is this? So be careful, sit with your pen and paper. I'm starting the class because now you are going to get your summer vacation. Holiday homework is already posted, or maybe I will be posting it today. Follow all the instruction. Please, holiday homework zarur karoge because it is very interesting. Very interestingly, it has been designed. Now sit with your pen and paper. Now children, screen is visible. So let's move to question number 6. Okay. Again, there is a conversation. Read the conversation and complete the following passage. Electrician, when did your electricity go? Mohan, it is not working since evening. Electrician, sorry sir, in this case I will have to check the fuse now. Now see the passage. The electrician asked Mohan dash. Mohan replied that dash. The electrician apologetically, sorry sir, देख लो, sorry sir को यहाँ use कर दिया गया. Apologetically said that in that case, now complete 3 minutes for 3 blanks. Hare Ram, incorrect. Your answer is not correct. Yes, Sahil. Sahil, correct answer. Tarun, no, incorrect. Rishit, yes, correct answer. Adishri, answer grammar is correct, but sentence formation is incorrect. Hare Ram, again incorrect. Tarun, again incorrect. Again, I'm telling you, please be careful. When did your electricity go? What type of sentence it is? Interrogative, that is okay. Then it is also when? Interrogative, but simple past. Simple past changes into past perfect. That means had plus be3. Simple past changes into past perfect. Think about it. Yes, Rishit, correct. Second sentence also. Yeah, Hare Ram, second sentence correct. Adishri, correct. Yes, Sahil. Rest of the sentences are correct. No, why are you using whether, Harsh? No need to use if or whether. See the formation of the sentence. Very good. Now see the answer. Okay, yeah. Rishit, third sentence is also correct. Yes, Hare Ram, it's correct. Good, good. Now I will show you the answer. See. The electrician asked Mohan. Now see, yes, Harsh, now it is okay. See the sentence formation. When did your electricity go? That means when did, simple past, past perfect. Then also I explained you that if in the interrogative sentence is starting with WH words, then you will simply use that WH words as a connector, as you will simply connect reported speech and reporting verb through that word. So the answer will be the electrician asked Mohan when his electricity had gone. Hare Ram, when his electricity had gone. Mohan replied that it was not working since evening. That was correct. ये तो सबका लगभग correct था. The electrician apologetically, sorry को क्या हो गया? Apologize. Apologetically said that in that case he would have to check the fuse. Now की जगह क्या हो जाएगा? Now will change into then. Okay, Pia Bharti, yes, correct है. नहीं नहीं नहीं. When did? हाँ. Please, Pia Bharti, see the answer now. Utkarsh Verma. Yes, it was correct. Yeah, Adishri, it's correct. So now you can see the answer. Utkarsh, yes, when his electricity had gone. Pia Bharti, be careful, beta. He would have to check the fuse then. Yes, now we'll change into then. Very good. Okay, very good. Now let's move to the, you have the answer now. Let's move to the next passage. Teacher, children, let us all pledge to save trees. Children, yes ma'am, we all pledge to save our trees as the trees are the lungs of the city. Teacher, let us start today by planting a sapling. Now see, the teacher asked all the children to pledge to save trees. The children replied affirmatively, that means positively, dash, as the dash, then the teacher said that dash. Okay, so come on. 3 minutes for 3 blanks. Yes, Hare Ram, your next 2 sentences was correct, but still I don't know why you are having confusion. Again and again, yesterday also I explained you that look at the structure of the sentence saying that all plays to Aman Krishna. Aman Krishna, wait a moment. Let everybody write the answer, then we will discuss it. Although Aman Krishna, your answer is correct. Aman Krishna, your answer is absolutely correct. Hare Ram again. Why you are always in hurry? Hare Ram, take your time. Take your time, beta. इतना हड़बड़ा के मत करो. Yes, Pia Bharti. Yes, it's correct. Very good. Adishri, okay. What are you writing? That they all plays. No, come on, don't be in hurry. Something is missing, Adishri, in your answer. Sahil, next 2 answers are correct. Yes, Hare Ram. Now your answer is correct. Rishit, be careful. trees. Universal truth. Harsh, Rishit. See, you have to be careful. This is the truth. Trees are the lungs. Okay, okay. Now let us see the answers. Yes, very good. See, yes, yes, Rishit. Now you have corrected your answer. That's correct. That's correct. Be careful what you are going to say. Tree words. अगर आप बोल रहे हो tree were, no, because this is a statement. This is a truth. That's why you have to be careful. Yes, Pia Bharti, Harsh. Very good. So now this is the answer. The teacher asked the children to pledge to save trees. The children replied affirmatively, saying that is important, saying that they all pledge to save trees, as the trees are the lungs of the city. Trees were नहीं, पहले ऐसा नहीं था कि now trees is not. This is a statement, universal fact. Then the teacher said that they should क्या करना चाहिए? Let us start today by planting. That they should start by planting a sapling that day. Okay, they should start, yes, by planting. Yes, Piyush, very good. Amrit Gautam, yes, correct. Mukul Raj, yes, very good. Correct answer. Amrit, trees are the very good. Good job. Very quickly you all are answering. Piyush, correct. Harsh, yes, very good. Chalo, all well. Chalo, next, let's move to the next question. So be careful. क्या है? Statement पे ध्यान दोगे. अब sun rises in the east, कभी ऐसा नहीं होगा कि sun rose in the east, because it is a universal statement. Yes, Hare Ram, your answers are correct, but not all. एक गलत फिर था. Now let's move to question number 8. Honesty is the best policy, Buddha said. Disciple, does honesty always pay? Buddha, it may or may not, but at least you will never feel guilty. अब देख लो statement कैसा है. Honesty is the best policy. It's not only proverb, but it is also the fact. Buddha in his preaching said that a disciple asked him if. Buddha replied dash. So अब carefully सुनाओगे. Very carefully. बहुत छोटा छोटा words आएगा इसमें, because most of the things are written in the passage. Yes, Mukul, very quickly. क्या बात है मुकुल, आंसर की ऑन कर लिया है. मुकुल राज, very good, very good. I'm quite impressed. सारा आंसर करेक्ट है. Very good. Yes, Amrit. Yes, all correct. Piyush correct. Utkarsh correct. अनुराग गुड. गुड मॉर्निंग. इतनी लेट से गुड मॉर्निंग. अच्छा सॉरी, अभी वो अरसलान, हाँ, सॉरी सॉरी. ओके ओके. यस मुकुल, यस अमृत, उत्कर्ष वर्मा, पीयूष, वेरी गुड. चलो, ऑल वेल. अमन कृष्ण, very good. Chalo. You all are writing correct answers. Very happy to see. Because these are the statements and it will never change, not with the, even if the, with the passage of time. Yes. Chalo. So now see the answers. You all know. Buddha in his preaching said that honesty is the best policy. A disciple asked him if honesty always pays. Buddha replied that it might or might not, but at least he would never feel guilty. Since यहाँ would से पता चलेगा because it might or might not, but you would never feel guilty. Sanskriti, yes, very good. Arslan, answers नहीं लिख रहा है Arslan. Yes, Sanskriti, your answer is correct. Hare Ram, yes. Kumar Sahil, very good. Manya, chalo. So now all clear? You know the answers. It is clear now. Let's move to the next passage. Thank God at least you all are trying. Question number 9. Doctor, you should take this medicine every day. Patient, should I take it before dinner or after dinner? Doctor, no, you should take it after breakfast. The doctor advised the patient that dash. The patient further asked dash. The doctor replied negatively, no hai to negatively, and then said dash. 3 minutes. Yes, Rishit. Yeah, Rishit, your answer is correct. Very good. Good, Rishit. Utkarsh. Yes, your answer is also correct. Mukul Raj, very quick. Mukul Raj and Piyush, impressive. All three, बहुत जल्दी लिखा भी and all correct. Adishri, correct answer. Pia Bharti, no, please be careful. Something is missing in your answer. Something is missing. Check your sentence again. Aman Krishna, quick and correct. Yes, very good. Amrit Gautam, yes, correct. Yes, Rishit, your second statement is also correct. Very good. Hare Ram, please, your sentence is an incomplete. To take medicine every day, no. Write down the complete sentence, whatever is required in that blank. Otherwise, your passage will not be complete and you will not be able to convey the correct meaning. Adishri, yes, your answer. But one, Adishri, be careful. Something is missing in your answer. Asked ke baad. Something is missing. Should he nahi? Adishri, remember I told you not to make Kumar Sahil. Very good. I told you that your sentence should be assertive form. Should he should. Difference hota hai. He should he nahi. Tanishq, something is missing in your answer. Tanishq, something is missing. Your answer is not correct. Hare Ram, your answer is not correct. Utkarsh Verma, yes. Yeah, correct. Amrit, correct. Okay, so let's go to the answer then. अब सुनो, देखो तनिष्क, जिस लोगों ने पिया भारती, please look at the answer. The doctor advised the patient that he should take that medicine. This changes into that medicine every day. The patient further asked. अब यहाँ पे क्या है? The sentence is interrogative and it is beginning with what? Model auxiliary. तो क्या हो जाएगा? What will the answer? if or whether he should take it before dinner or after dinner. He should take it before dinner or after dinner. Yes, yes, Utkarsh. Yes, Tanishq. Now you understood. Okay. The doctor replied negatively and then said that he should take it after breakfast. He should take it after breakfast. Yes, Adishri. Pia Bharti, he should take it after breakfast. Okay, Adishri, Pia Bharti, that's correct now. Be careful, Utkarsh. Yeah. चलो अब सही है. So now the answer is correct. Be careful. If और whether भी missing होगा, MCQ में यही सब छोटे छोटे mistakes तुम्हें find out करने हैं. अब देख लो क्वेश्चन नंबर आंसर बी को देखो. देयर विल बी 4 ऑप्शंस. एक में रहेगा इफ ही शुड टेक इट बिफोर डिनर और आफ्टर डिनर, दैट इज द करेक्ट सेंटेंस. दूसरे में रहेगा इफ ही शैल टेक इट बिफोर डिनर और आफ्टर डिनर. तीसरे में रहेगा ही शुड टेक इट बिफोर डिनर और आफ्टर डिनर. फोर्थ में रहेगा इफ शुड ही टेक इट बिफोर डिनर और आफ्टर डिनर. सो देयर विल बी वेरी कंफ्यूजिंग. छोटा सा मिस्टेक रहेगा, कोई बहुत बड़ा मिस्टेक नहीं रहेगा. सो यू हैव टू बी केयरफुल. If the sentence is incorrect, so MCQ में क्या होना है कि you have to find out the appropriate answer. एक भी चीज missing, that means you are going to lose your one important mark. याद रखोगे. So 4 options, very confusing options will be there. ये याद रखना बच्चों. ये नहीं कि चलो कैजुअली ले लिया. इसीलिए सीखो और MCQ का सॉल्व करने से पहले खुद सॉल्व करोगे. Without looking at the answer, you will solve your answer first of all, and then you will match. Maths में भी ऐसे ही करते हैं ना MCQs में. First you solve your answer and then you see that which answer is correct or which is closest. Similarly, in grammar also you will do the same thing. ठीक है? चलो last है हमारा. Let's practice this also. Reena, do you know how to swim? Surabhi. Yes, I know. I have learnt it during the summer vacation. Reena asked Surabhi. Then Surabhi replied and also added that. Yes, Piyush, correct answer. Mukul Raj, you are missing something. In the very first sentence, Mukul, you are missing something. Second and third is correct. Yes, Sahil, your answer is correct. Perfectly, absolutely correct. Yes, Piyush, second answer is correct. Amrit, Gautam. Yes, your answer is correct. Rishit, your answer is also correct. हरे राम, बड़ा जल्दी सारा आंसर लिख दिया. ओहो, सेकंड आंसर में क्या लिखा है? नो नो नो, दैट इज इनकरेक्ट. यस, पिया भारती. नो, पिया भारती मेन वर्ब इज वेदर शी नो. शी नो होगा कि शी न्यू होगा? पिया भारती पास्ट टेंस. अमन कृष्ण, यस करेक्ट. हाँ, मुकुल राज, नाउ योर आंसर इज करेक्ट. Write down complete sentence. I am unable to see on camera. ये दिखाओगे भी तो मुझे दिखेगा ही नहीं. It's better you write it in the chat box. Harsh Kumar, I won't be able to read your answer. Manya, if she knew how to. Yes, correct. एक किसका wrong है? एक मिनट. मुकुल, first answer. Mukul Raj, please check your first answer. It's not correct. Priya Bharti, check your answer. Yes, Tanishq, your answer is correct. Piyush, एक सेकंड, मैंने तुम्हारा आंसर, तुम्हारा शायद, ओके, हाँ पीयूष, यस पीयूष, इट्स करेक्ट, योर थर्ड आंसर इज करेक्ट. उत्कर्ष वर्मा इज करेक्ट. Adishri, correct answer. Rishit, yes, your answer is correct. Yes, Tanishq, now you have realized what was the mistake. Okay, very good, very good, very good. Now see the answer. Yeah, it's correct now. Manya, correct, and Pia Bharti. Last answer is correct. Now look at the answer. Reena asked Surabhi if whether she knew how to swim. Okay, past tense. No nahi hoga. She knew how to swim. Then Surabhi replied in affirmative, in positive. कुछ भी इस तरह से related word you can use. But generally affirmative, negative, they are used. So the Surabhi replied in affirmative and also added that she had learnt it during the summer vacation. So she had learnt it during the summer vacation. Okay. Thank you. Nice job you all have done. Very good. Most of you were writing correct answers. And if you have any confusion, any problem, then we will discuss it again after summer vacation. Okay. If you have to ask something, you can ask me now. No, Hare Ram, you need to work on it.